Hi there. My name is Mrs. Buse, and this year I am going to be at Roanoke Elementary School working with Mrs. English, your school counselor. I am going back to school to learn how to be a school counselor, and I'm so excited that I get to work with you boys and girls this year. One of the things that you will notice about me when you first meet me is that I'm small. In fact, I'm probably going to be one of the shortest adults that you'll ever meet. What happened was is that my arms and my leg bones did not grow, and so I'm really small. It's called achondroplasia dwarfism, and those are really big fancy words that just means I'm tiny. Today I'm going to read you a little story called Not Too Big, Not Too Small, Just Right for Me, and it's a book on dwarfism, so hopefully maybe I can answer some of your questions. Okay, not too big, not too small, just right for me. Hi, my name is Sam, and I am 6 years old, and my favorite color is orange. You might notice something different about me. No, silly, not my hair. This is my friend Miguel, and we are both 6 years old. Can you see my difference now? Notice Sam is much smaller than his friend. Even though they're both the same age, Sam is just smaller. That's right, I'm much shorter than Miguel, and that's what makes me awesome. We all have things that make us awesome, and I can't wait to find out what makes you awesome this year. All of my friends are different in some way. Tommy wears glasses, Allison has big hair, Ben is big, Tim is tall, Jen uses a wheelchair to get around, Grace thinks a little longer, I am short, Miguel's skin color is different from George. We are all different in our own way, and that's what makes us all awesome. So difference just means awesome. If we were all the same, that would be so boring. Being different in some way is the only thing that really makes us all the same. What makes you different from everyone else? Is it the way you look, the way you act, how you speak, where you live, who you are? Let's see what makes you different. If you look around the room, you'll probably notice that everybody is different from you, and that's okay. I have dwarfism, which makes me shorter than others. That is because my bones did not grow the same way as some of my friends. Do you know why? Because inside of our bodies we have what is called DNA. It is kind of like a blueprint, which are used as instructions on how to build a house. DNA is in charge of telling us how tall or short we are. It tells us the color of our skin and the color of our eyes. It also tells our bodies how to work, from the beating of our hearts to the way our bones grow. DNA is a blueprint for how we are made and for who we are. It creates the differences that makes us all special in our own way. So up here, DNA, think, think, beat, 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 eat, grow, grow, grow. And mine says slow, slow, slow. So my DNA blueprint told my bones to grow a whole lot shorter than other people's. But that's okay. Dwarfism makes me shorter, and it's only a part of who I am. Otherwise, I am just another kid, just like you. I can do just about anything everyone else can. But because I am much shorter, sometimes I have to do things in a different way. No matter what it is, one way or another, I get it done. If I ride a bicycle, it's smaller to fit my size. Sometimes I need a step stool to get things, and sometimes I use a stick to reach things. Sometimes I need a stick and a step stool to reach something. And if I don't have a step stool or stick and I can't reach something, I ask someone for help. You should not point or stare at anyone or call them names because it can hurt their feelings and make them sad. Do you like to have your feelings hurt or feel sad? Probably not. And just like you, I have feelings too. I'm always willing to answer your questions, but if you point or stare or laugh, it really hurts my feelings. So remember, you should call people by their name. If you do not know their name, you can always ask them. Sometimes my name is kind of hard, Mrs. Buse, but some people just call me Miss B. If you need to describe me to someone, you can always say, that's Sam, he has dwarfism, or the boy with dwarfism, or the boy who is much shorter. Or in my case, you can say, Miss Bruce, she has dwarfism, or I'm a teacher that also has dwarfism, or I'm just small. But mostly, I'm just Miss Bruce. Always remember that just because you are taller, it does not mean that you are older. And just because someone is shorter, it does not mean that they are a baby or that you should call them a baby. Only a baby would think or say that. So George is 10 years old and his grandpa is 80. Who is taller and who is older? So just because someone's taller than somebody else doesn't necessarily mean they're older. Sometimes I get confused by other kids. They think that I'm a teenager or a little kid, but I'm not. I'm just an adult. I'm just short. My name is Sam, and dwarfism is a part of who I am. I am not too big. I am not too small. I am just right for me. Celebrate your differences. And those are just some facts about dwarfism, and I have this book if you'd like to look at it. So here I am again. I just really thank you for listening. And again, boys and girls, you're going to get to know me more this year. And if you have any questions, please ask, and I will promise I will tell you and answer them the best that I can. Just remember, I'm just small, but I'm still a person and I have feelings. And I would love to get to know all of you and what makes you awesome. My size is just one of the things, but you will get to know me better and you'll know that I love pizza and outdoor adventures and watching TV and reading and swimming and all the other things that make me me. And I can't wait to find out what makes you you and what makes you awesome. So thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!